Thumbnail. Oh, let me lost my weight. You love it how I move you. You love it how I touch you. You really got us on. Hey guys, it's Miree. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So let's get right into it. I have my hair into two sections. I get my water bottle and I spray each side. I take one side down and I spray some water on that section. Then I get my coconut oil daily defense conditioner. This has a lot of slip and it was $1. I got it from the Dollar Tree. Then I get a little part of my hair and oh shoot, wait. Okay, I'm spraying my hair. Then I get a little part of my hair and I put that up, not the way, and I finger detangle just a little bit. If you want vlogs, comment what type of videos y'all want to see, what content y'all want to see. If you want, subscribe down below. More videos up on the screen, a subscribe button up on the screen, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.